Today I'm going to unbox, set up and review the Biggerfive Vigor 3 Kids Fitness Tracker. Hopefully this video will give you all the details you need about this product. Inside the box you'll find the watch, a USB charging cable, a quick guide and an app information guide. Now let's have a look at the watch. It's a nice small smartwatch with an AMOLED screen. It comes in 4 different colours, black, blue, lilac and pink. I have the black version. The straps are made of soft silicone material designed to fit children comfortably. The watch is suitable for kids aged 5 to 15. It's also 3 ATM waterproof, making it suitable for splashes, rain or snow. Now let's set up the watch. After turning it on, you will see the language screen. So select your language. This watch operates in 2 modes, standalone mode to use the watch without an app, and app mode, which works by pairing it with the Biggerfive app on your phone. Let's set it up as a standalone watch, so tap on the arrow and then set the unit, gender, age, height, weight, year, month, day, time format, hour and minute. All done. Now let's explore its features. While on the home screen, you can swipe up or down. First you have activity. This will show steps, distance covered and calories burnt. Next you have workout. The watch supports various sports modes including running, walking, cycling, swimming, dancing, among others. To start an activity, tap one from the list, a countdown will begin and the activity will start. During the activity, you can track steps, distance covered, pace, calories burnt, heart rate, and to stop the activity, press the side button and then the X. After workout, you have clock, games. Here you have 3 games for the children to enjoy. After that, you have electronic pet, which is a pet that grows as your child moves. Edit will allow you to change the order of the features. QR code will show you the link to the Biggerfive app. Then you have settings, habit formation, sleep statistics, oxygen level, and finally heart rate monitor. Now from the home screen, you can change the watch face. Tap and hold the home screen, then scroll up or down to select different watch faces. Choose the design you like and tap on it. This should cover most of the features on the watch. Now let's explore the app. To unlock additional features of your Biggerfive smartwatch, connect it to the Biggerfive app. If you're unsure how to connect, check out the video linked in the card above. Once your watch is connected, here's a walkthrough of the features you can explore. On the app's homepage, you'll find key health metrics at a glance. Steps, calories burnt, training statistics, sleep data, heart rate and weight. Tap on training at the bottom of the screen. From here, you can start an activity using your phone with options for walking, running, biking and hiking. Although you can start activities directly from your watch, starting them via the app is required if you want to track your route. This is because the app uses your phone's GPS to map your activity. Go to Device and tap on your watch. Scroll up and tap More next to Watch Face Market. Select a new watch face from the list. Optionally, upload a photo from your phone to use as a custom watch face. Now go back. Tap on Health Monitoring and explore the following features. Here you can enable continuous heart rate monitoring, automatic blood oxygen monitoring, hydration reminder, hand washing reminder, and walk around reminder. This should cover most of the features on the app. Overall, this smartwatch is a good entry-level watch for children aged 5 to 15. It's fun, durable, and easy to use, designed to keep kids active and engaged. With features like step tracking, workouts, games, sleep monitoring, and even an electronic pet, it helps make fitness enjoyable for children. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video.